Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to move messages to focused or other inbox in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, make sure you're logged into your account so all your emails load properly. This might take a moment depending on your connection, so just give it a few seconds to fully sync everything. You want to see your inbox populated with all your messages before moving forward. Now that your emails have loaded, take a look at your inbox pane. This is the area on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are organized. This is where you'll be working to move your messages around. From here, locate the specific message you want to move to your focused inbox. It could be any email that you feel deserves priority attention or that you want separated from the clutter. Once you've found the message, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that email. In this menu, you'll prominently see an option labeled Move to Focused. This is the key feature that lets you prioritize important emails by sending them directly to your focused inbox. Go ahead and click on Move to Focused, and the selected email will immediately be transferred to that section. This helps ensure that important messages don't get lost among promotional emails or newsletters, giving you better control over what you see first. Now, if you want to move messages to other inboxes or folders in Outlook instead, the process is just as simple. Right-click on the message again to bring up that same context menu. This time, look for the Move option and hover your cursor over it. When you do this, you'll see a list of destination options appear. These are all the different folders and inboxes where you can move your email. You might see options like Archive, Junk, or any custom folders you've created. Just click on the destination you prefer, and the email will be moved there instantly. This feature is really useful for keeping your inbox organized and making sure the right emails end up in the right places. Whether you're prioritizing messages in your focused inbox or sorting them into specific folders, Outlook makes it quick and straightforward. You can repeat this process with as many emails as you need, and over time, it helps you maintain a cleaner, more efficient inbox that's easier to manage. And that's it. You've now learned how to move messages to focused or other inbox in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.